I am a spy. Okay? We all, you can we are spies. We spy on people, that's all, with a camera. I'm the cameraman.
Can I borrow you?
Shush! Go out! I'm sorry about that. It's just that he was like my known brother. He's in the spy thing. He spies with me. He shouldn't. I know that. I'm gonna spy on him. Okay. We are on. If we normally, sometimes you can say, if you don't give me money, I'll chuck this water balloon at you. We do it exact the same, but except with videos. Now, I should be the spy leader, I know, but he's doing me like the bossy bully, whatever. Now, I'm gonna, when we're done with this video, we're gonna go for 3 months, just getting all of that. You might have seen our other video was not so good. We missed out one of our things. I think it's somehow deleted on the camera. So we'll be off now.